Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I wanted to do a tutorial slash review on this Autumn's Rain palette by Sydney Grace. It is their first palette ever released. They have released several single eyeshadows I've been very tempted to buy, but this is my first purchase from them. Here is the packaging it came in, which matches the palette. Is very simple. I love the roses, the flowers, the whole floral arrangement. Thing to note about Sydney Grace is they are obviously an indie brand. They are located in Oroville, California. And my sister, my late sister, she passed away last year. She lived in Chico and Oroville, and Paradise was like a home away from home to her. And every time I go see her, we'd have coffee there. Go to the Black Bear Diner. They're donating 20% or 25% of the proceeds from this palette to Paradise for the huge fire and losses, which I think is phenomenal. So this is a great time to try out Sydney Grace and their eyeshadows and support an amazing indie brand. So on the back here, it shows the ingredients, and it is net weight 0.27 grams, 0.95 ounces. You open it up and it has the mirror here, and I just didn't take it off. I used it already, but it has a film cover over a very good size mirror. Here are the shades. So here is the palette, and here are the swatches. Starting up here, right here, and down. These are one swipe swatches. There's no primer or anything on my arm. You have your metallics, you have your mattes. So I'd say there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mattes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 metallic slash shimmers in here. So the total of 15. Boy, I'm good at math. Anyways, I wanted to do this because this is probably the most excited I've been for a palette in quite some time, and I really felt it needed its own individual video. So I will bring you closer for the tutorial. Again, my stand, I need to get me a new stand. And there we go. Okay. So I'm going to do one eye on and one eye off, because otherwise it will be a very long video. I'm going to go in with Queen of the North. And after I finish the tutorial, I will give you my thoughts, because I have already used the palette. I just haven't been able to like go really bold with it because of work, but I am off today. Yes. So I can go in with whatever color I want. So I'm just going all over with Queen of the North, and I love how the names of the shades are on the palette below each shade. I hate when they put like a little film cover in there or what have you. It's just such a waste of time. I know they could. I am using my Wayne Gauze, my Fenty, and Delium tool brushes. Now I'm gonna go in with this one right here, Nature's Crown right here. So I'm going to kind of like build up the crease. Just like a slow build up. Okay, and now I'm going to completely change the way I usually do my makeup. I did it the other day if you watched my tutorial. I'm going to go in with a very dark shade, Brilliant Realm right here. I'm using actually the Luxie brushes we got in BoxyCharm, I believe it was. And I'm going to put this, I'm kind of stamping it in the middle and then pulling it together. I kind of want like a line, a really dark, deep line of it down the middle. And you'll see why. I'm gonna blend it out here with other shades, so it will not be like this in the end. This is how I want it right now though. Really deep, dark line. Okay, now I want to go in with Countess right here. And I'm using my wing gauze, and I'm going to kind of blend that over the deep shadow I just put on. I never know what I'm going in with. I never pre-plan it. It's just what I do and how it comes out. That's the fun of makeup. Now that kind of blended that out, and then I'm going to actually cut the crease, the bottom, which will blend the bottom, and yeah, so it looks way more blended than that. Okay, everybody, I cut the crease, so now I think I'm gonna go in with there's so many colors from here I want to choose from, but I'm gonna go with Sovereign Rain right here. This beautiful purple. And we are going to start putting that on the lid. Lately, I've been winging out my crease. I don't know, I just like changing it up. This is without wetting the brush, not using my finger, all that extra crap. This is a very beautiful purple. If I'm covering the camera, let me know, because I tend to forget and get all involved with my mirror, but so far it is gorgeous. Okay, now I want to go in with, I'm just so torn on the colors because they're all so pretty, but I'm going to go in with the green Fallen Splendor. I've got to use this green, you guys. It's so pretty. I think it'll go with the purple. Well, we're gonna find out. Such a gorgeous green. These shades are like foiled eyeshadows, and they go on so gorgeous. Look at that green. I love it. I'm going to bring it over just a little bit up in the crease. That is beautiful. Okay, and just because I want to be extra and use as many colors as possible, I'm going to go in with Amber Jewels right here. I like to use this brush under my eye. It is a Delium Tools Smoky Liner. I'm going to take that from the front of your eye and just kind of bring it into the middle to blend it with a portion of that other color. That is gorgeous, gorgeous burgundy. Whoa, love it. All right, so I did my concealer, cleaned up under my eye. I'm baking the sides of my face. Yes, I bake. I'm gonna go under my eye right here with Brilliant Realm right here. And this palette does fold all the way over, which is very convenient. Easier to hold, even though I use just my own mirror. But just good to know. Connect it with upper. Such a beautiful purple. Now I'm going to do the inner corner of my eye with Wondrous Night right here. And just wrap it up with that. Got a lot of shimmer going on. And that is awesome. Because I can. Let's do the other eye real quick. Then I'm going to go do my eyeliner and the rest of my makeup. And I will come back for my final thoughts and review. Okay, everybody. So I went and finished the rest of my makeup. And I put my hair back. Anyways, so I want to give you my final thoughts and review on the Autumn's Rain palette by Sydney Grace. This palette was well worth the wait. These shades, every single one of the mattes I have used have performed absolutely flawless. They blend, they're pigmented, there is no patchiness, and the shimmers and metallics are absolutely stunning. This one's wearing off because I've had it on for a while, but these are all gorgeous. I have the green and the purple. I wanted to go all out and use as many colors as possible. Again, I used this previously, but I had to be very neutral with it. I have to say that this is one indie brand I will absolutely continue supporting. And again, I want to thank them for their proceeds that are going to Paradise that had those devastating fires. It is a very small little town, and it is just beautiful. It was such a shame what happened to it. But Sydney Grace, Autumn's Rain, best palette so far of this season. Out of any palette I have to say this one is so worth it. It retailed, I believe it was $52, and then I think shipping was free, but I got it during Black Friday, so I'm not sure about now. Anyways, you guys, look this up. It is gorgeous, pigmented, beautiful. Highly, highly recommend this palette. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.